Aloha and welcome back to Rooted in Wander. This summer, we packed up our little ones, joined by Grandma and Grandpa, and headed from Portland to beautiful Maui. In this video, we'll share our favorite family-friendly adventures, tips for traveling with young kids, and some of the incredible moments that made this trip unforgettable. It's about a 5.5-hour flight from Portland, and with toddlers in tow, we came prepared. Snacks, little activities, and yes, plenty of screen time. Luckily, Grandma and Grandpa were right behind us, so we had a little backup crew too. We rented a condo in Kihei that turned out to be perfect for our family setup. My parents had the loft while we shared a room with the kids. Having a full kitchen, washer and dryer, and all the beach equipment we could possibly need made our stay so much easier. Plus, the ocean view balcony lined with palm trees and filled with songbirds was the best way to start each day. One of the absolute highlights of our trip was snorkeling. We rented gear from the snorkel store in Kihei. They were so helpful and gave us tips on the best spots to see turtles. And they were right. We saw turtles every single day. The colorful fish, the reef, we even spotted a reef shark one day. It was magical. We never did rent a GoPro, but honestly, we were so enthralled by the experience that we didn't want to put the camera between us and the ocean. One of our favorite beaches for snorkeling was Kapalua. Our 4-year-old wasn't a fan of the snorkel mask, so she sat that one out. But on a snorkel boat tour, they had special floats with clear windows so kids could lay on their bellies and watch the reef, almost like snorkeling. Even our 1-year-old got to do it. The boat also had a glass bottom and served up some delicious tacos for dinner. One of the highlights of our trip was visiting the Maui Tropical Plantation. We took the tram tour through the fields and learned about the different crops grown on the island, like sugarcane, pineapples, and bananas. It was beautiful and really fun for the kids too. They loved riding the tram and spotting all the tropical fruits up close. There's also a coffee shop, farm-to-table restaurant, and a few boutiques, so it's an easy and relaxing stop for families. We took a family-friendly hike to the ʻīao Valley State Monument. It's short, accessible, and the views are breathtaking. You can really feel the history here. On the way up, we even spotted 2 wild boars darting through the forest. On the drive back, we stopped at Kepaniwai Park, which showcases gardens representing the diverse communities that make up Maui. Each garden was so unique and beautiful, we were glad we didn't miss it. When it comes to food, Maui did not disappoint, not even once. Some of our absolute favorites were Sugar Beach Bake Shop for amazing desserts and coffee, everything fresh and delicious. Ululani's Hawaiian shaved ice and Dakine shaved ice, both so refreshing and flavorful, the perfect treat after a long beach day. And the ice cream at the bottom is the best part. Kihei Cafe, which quickly became our go-to breakfast spot. Casual, fast, and always good. Nalu's South Shore Grill. For a breakfast that was both unique and amazing, we still talk about that meal. One of our favorite evenings was dinner at Duke's Beach House Maui, where we ate with our toes in the sand, listened to live local music, and finished off with a giant slice of hula pie. Absolute perfection. One evening, Grandma and Grandpa stayed back with our youngest, so we took our 4-year-old to a luau at the Marriott. It was incredibly kid-friendly, with dancing, music, and delicious food. So much food. And a really special memory for all of us. One of our favorite family stops was Twin Falls. It's on your way up the road to Hana. With unique tropical plants, fresh fruit smoothies, and a chance to cool off under the waterfall, it was the perfect adventure with our littles. Back in Kihei, one of our favorite spots to wander was the Kihei Kalama Village, sometimes called the Kihei Gardens. It's such a fun place to explore, filled with tropical plants, local shops, and plenty of food trucks. There's always something happening here. Live music, local vendors, or just that laid-back Maui energy that makes you want to slow down and take it all in. We wandered through the colorful stalls and just soaked in the island vibe. We even found a tortoise. Traveling with a 1-year-old and a 4-year-old definitely keeps things interesting, but we've learned to just go with the flow. Don't force the schedule and don't try to do it all. The best moments usually come when you slow down and let the day unfold naturally. We made sure to pack plenty of snacks and then pack more snacks because that's pretty much the key to happy travel days with little ones. We balanced adventure with lots of beach time, kept expectations low, and just let the kids play. Maui is such a perfect place for that. Beautiful, easygoing, and full of little discoveries everywhere you turn. Maui was everything we hoped for and more. Adventure, beauty, and plenty of family moments we'll treasure forever. Traveling with little ones can be unpredictable, but it's always worth it. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more family adventures, wild places, and intentional living. Have a good one.